Now, let's take a look at this next one, and I'll explain. The reason I'm going to this format is that some people have trouble hearing, and some people have trouble understanding accents, as we all might have in that first video. So in this case, what I'm starting to do, you see here on this screen that the screen points to things, and the text here, almost like closed captioning, explains what might otherwise be said. But I'm not going to say it. The video will give about 10 seconds to each of these slides, and in the back, I just play a little music. Now you can, if the music is distracting, you don't care for it, you can just turn your speaker down. You don't have to listen to it, you're not going to lose anything. On the other hand, some people like the music. A person named Hobart Hooper does the orchestrations. Hobart is the one who orchestrates these using a simple technique, and it originates from MIDI files. That will play in the background. As I say, listen to it if you want to or don't, doesn't really matter. The content here is about 20 slides in this set, and this will show you a lot of what you have to do the project. That is, how do you actually accomplish what's to be done? I'll give you some hints about that, but there is some thinking to be done here of how these delete commands work, the column insert, and how certain functions work. So you get a feeling for this. And I'll also give you additional references. Excel is one of those things that it really pays to know about. Word processing, it's expected everybody knows that. Excel, not everybody knows it. Many people use it simply for building lists of things. But you can distinguish yourself as a very helpful person to support teams you might work on if you know a little more about Excel than other people do. And that's why I'm focusing on this as a means of showing you what programming is all about. In this way, it might even be called end-user programming, programming without a programmer. So let's take a look at this one. That will go on for a few more minutes, and there's another piece of music that comes up at the end that's also kind of lively. What is this doing? This is showing you step by step how to go through, at least with Office 2007, which is the standard version here of the spreadsheet. You can do the same things with Calc, with the OpenOffice software, but you'll have to investigate a bit to see how the same functions are done there. And you could do this in Office 2003 as well, but because Microsoft changed that top bar, the ribbon bar, that indicates what to click for various commands, you'll have to do a little exploration there too. There are a lot of resources on the web besides the ones that I've provided to you that you could just Google in the videos in YouTube and search based on keywords, and you can find a lot of good things out there. You need to read these as the slide goes by, but as I've done here, you can always stop this if you want to take a longer time looking at a certain slide.